Once I'm done with my post brackets, now I'm going to install the floor guide. Now for this job, their jamb thickness is 11/16, and I have a piece ripped that's 5/16, which is how much that floor guide should stick out in front of our cladding. So when they install their trim, it's going to cover up the floor guide, and the back of the door is always going to be in this floor guide, so it's never going to come out. So I take my spacer, myself a line. In my spacer, I have a notch cut dead center. Clamp that. Always give it a couple hits on the top to make sure it's down flat, and then I'm going to double check by using this. Then on a 5.5 inch wall, just to double check, I measure out. The center of my T-guide should be at 2 3/4. I kind of do that on both sides, just to make sure that T-guide didn't shift one way or is angled crooked. We're right on the money there.